Today, I'm sharing a simple trick to break up boring footage and make your edits feel much more dynamic. Imagine you've got several clips in one timeline that all look the same, and after a short while, your audience starts losing interest. The fix is simple. Drop in a B-roll cutaway that plays as your main audio continues. It's like adding a visual garnish on top of the spine of your edit to keep things reading as a scene change. If you're doing this manually, line up the base clip, drop in a different clip above it, then lower the overlay's volume so the original audio stays clear. You can layer multiple overlays, stack reaction shots, or add color pops to create a living looking timeline. But doing this across hours of footage can drain time, especially if you're turning long videos into short clips for socials. That's where the faster way comes in. Vizard acts like an assistant that does the tedious part of picking moments and stitching, ready to post clips. Upload the long video, let the AI scan for high engagement moments, and it turns them into ready to post clips. You still keep the cinematic feel because the AI picks energetic spikes and vocal moments to match your style. Vizard also suggests B-roll overlays and helps with scheduling across platforms, saving you minutes per clip. I've used it on a 40-minute tutorial and ended up with multiple short clips that hit the best moments without endless manual searching. Tools like CapCut are great for hands-on editing, but if you need to scale posting across platforms, automated highlights plus scheduling is a huge time saver. Vizard focuses on viral-ready moments and wraps them with scheduling tools you actually use to scale your content. Here's how you use it. Upload your long video, choose auto edit, preview, then tweak or accept, and finally auto schedule. The content calendar shows what's scheduled, what's posted, and what's left to tweak, all in one place. A few practical tips. Keep the main audio as the anchor, use B-roll to add interest, and let your gut guide what feels right for your brand. If you use auto schedule, mix posting times, and react to early performance to optimize reach. Audio-wise, Vizard handles when to mute overlays or keep subtle ambient sound, but you can still adjust if you want a different vibe. Manual editing is great for control, but for creators turning long form into consistent shorts, automated highlights plus scheduling is a huge boost. If you try this flow, drop a long video into the tool, compare manual time to automated time, and you'll likely be surprised by the time you reclaim. That's it for today. Short, practical, and hopefully helpful as you make editing feel less painful and more creative. Catch you in the next one, and if you try the Vizard flow, tell me which clip surprised you the most.